make a game pass in Roblox. So if you want to make a game pass in Roblox, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Roblox. It might be either in your browser or your application. So once you're here, now you need to just go with the create section, which is on the upper left. And now you need to go with creations, which is on the left side. And make sure that you're under the experiences tab. So you need to go with create experience or select the experience in which you would like to add a game pass. Once you've selected, now here on the left side, you need to scroll down a bit, and under monetization, you will have passes. So just click on passes, and here you need to click on create a pass if you want to create a game pass. Now you can add your image, you can change your format from JPG to PNG to BMP, and you need to enter your name of the pass and the description about the pass, and just click on create pass. Once you've clicked on create pass, then your passes will be created, right? You can go back to the passes, and here you will have all of the passes that you've created. Now you need to just click on any one of the pass and go with the three dots and just open in a new tab. And once you open a new tab, you will have this kind of interface, but make sure to enter the price. Once you're under your basic settings, you just need to simply click on your pass, and then you will get the basic settings, right? So you need to go with sales, which is on the left side, and from here you can enter the price in your Roblox and then toggle on the option of item for sale. For example, I'll just simply enter 100 and just go with save changes, and the pass has been updated successfully. Now if you click on the pass, then you'll have this kind of interface. So that's it. That's how you can make a game pass in your Roblox. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.